everyone, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and it's just going to be a very short video today. I want to acknowledge some people that have shown me some kindness and send me some things. Well, first of all, I was informed today that there was a package waiting for me, and according to the tracking number, it was waiting for me to pick up. And I had been at my post office box yesterday, and nothing there. So I checked again today, and once again, nothing in my box. But the lady who was the regular attendant there was there, and she wasn't terribly busy, so I asked her, is there something waiting there for me? I don't have the tracking number, but this is my post office box number. And the individual told me that there is something waiting for me to pick up. So she managed to check her computer, and sure enough, and she asked me what my name was, and I told her it was Tony. So she got the post office box number and my name, and she says, oh yes, you do have a couple of packages in the back. Oh, okay. She brought them out, and I said, well, isn't it customary for you to put a little notice in my box? And why was there not one there? And she said, well, she was on holiday, and I guess the regular girl didn't bother to do that. So these may have been sitting there for a few days. I have no idea. But anyway, she said she was back, and you know, that is her accustomed method, is just to put something in, put a card in the mail, in the post office box if it is something that can't fit in there. So want to acknowledge a few things. First of all, a nice letter from Connie, and she apologizes for, and a lovely Christmas card, and she apologizes for it not being a handwritten card because she had hurt her wrist, and Connie had no problem. I'm very bad with handwritten cards myself these days. I've been using a computer for 40 years now, and I think I forgot how to spell because I rely on the computer spell check for me. So I want to acknowledge that I did receive this, and thank you very much. Very sweet of you. And next, from the lady who said, there's something waiting there for you. And I opened up the package. Sure enough, there was something waiting, and it was from Indiana. I don't have her name here, but I know who it is. Thank you so much. And what she sent me was yep, she doesn't put her name here. What she sent me was a glove for my mandolin slicer. She said that she watched me use the mandolin slicer with bare hands, and was cringing because, yeah, they are dangerous, and I'm not very comfortable using it myself. And it does have a tool that you stick in the vegetable, but it just never seems to work right, so I don't use it. But this glove is specifically designed to be used with a mandolin, so that she said it's brand new. It's an extra one that she had, and probably wouldn't make it in time for Christmas. Well, it might have. Apparently it was sitting in the back room. Thank you, and I am going to put it in the same box, and by the way, it fits perfectly. I have very large hands for a little lady. I don't know if anyone's noticed that, but I do not have small hands. My daughter's got beautiful tiny little hands, but then she's tiny anyway. So, and tiny feet, which is even nicer. But yes, I'll put this with my mandolin in the same box so that when I go to use it, I'll have it handy, and I know it's there. And I'm going to put a special package together to put all these cards and letters in that I received. Thank you so much once again. And last but not least, and this one, once again, she told me that something was coming, and this is the one that I checked for because it was the first one that told me that she was sending me something, and I kept checking and it didn't arrive, and I thought, well, you know, it's just Canada Post, what are you gonna do? And this is from, she says, you would know me as full of hope. Yes, I do know. Her name is Paola, and she loves the teacup that I use. It was the same one that her mother uses, and she is from Ireland. So she sent me some beautiful Irish linen. And I love linen. And they look like doilies. I'm going to open this up. Looks like it was specially packaged and beautiful. I have no idea how I love things like china and linens and silverware. Silverware is getting so expensive. I do have a few pieces, but not much. Oh, isn't that absolutely gorgeous? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. So they will, and they're stamped Irish linen. I guess it's a package of 6. Absolutely beautiful. So I will definitely put this in my chest with all my china. Once again, thank you so much. And this is a short video. I just wanted to acknowledge everyone's gifts and thoughtfulness. Thank you so very much. And looks like the new year is starting off really good for me. Anyway, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.